So here I'm looking for WordPress hosting. How to purchase a WordPress hosting? Everybody people know about the three kind of hosting: Linux by Unix, Windows, and WordPress. The people are excitement. What is the WordPress hosting? The first of all, when you select any kind of WordPress hosting, there's mandatory for the SSL certificate. Which website providing for SSL certificate for secure purpose, secure socket layer? Who will be provided for SSL secure? We can purchase your hosting. The domain will be purchased for some other site. The hosting will be purchased for some other site. No issues. My domain purchased by ABC. My hosting purchased by XYZ. Any issues? No issues. If you purchase domain anywhere, you can purchase hosting will be anywhere. Just link with the domain and the hosting, the website live purpose. Suppose if you coming to WordPress hosting, there are one website to three website. Is only for one website to three website. If you go unlimited space, the support by only for host three website. But WordPress hosting, my recommendation is called one web hosting only for one website is enough for WordPress hosting. So if we go for command hosting, you can select by the Linux by Unix hosting. But if you go for any WordPress for individual website, select by the single domain hosting. That is called here. One host website, unlimited space, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited email address, SSL certificate, Jetpack, free service. Means n number of free themes. Why? Because WordPress and is a customized not available. There is a theme base, is a plug and play. The plug is available just to play on your site. So that is called they're not providing for the any kind of SQL database. Nothing is there. They're providing only for totally for information: host, domain, space, bandwidth, and Jetpack free version. Unlimited space is common. Unlimited bandwidth is a common. You have to look for two service: Jetpack free service and free SSL certification. That is called your website totally secured. Your website totally is secure. Nobody can hack purpose. So here I'm selecting for first domain here in this free domain. So in this here you're showing for no free domain. Here showing for lifetime free domain means they give one domain for lifetime, but not lifetime is considered by the every year renewal you are hosting. The hosting renewal for 1 year to 10 years. So when renewal your server, the hosting will be renewal, the domain will be automatically renewal. The charge is applicable by your domain and the hosting also. That is called the providing for domain will be lifetime free. So here one host website 5 GB unlimited 30,000 monthly visitors. They give visitors also. If you select by package by traffic also, see this one. How much traffic for monthly? 20,000 monthly visitor. See this is the package. This is called premium packages. They give space, they give the traffic also. Here is it clear? One is only space we can purchase. Second one, you can purchase your space and your traffic also. Please note down. Now here, any WordPress website we can select by the two ways of packages. One is called with the space. Second will be with the space and we purchase for the traffic also. That is called they give the job, queen, king. And here is a question. Can I providing this traffic any hosting? No. Only for limited websites are providing for the package with the WordPress and traffic also. With the package and traffic also. In this one, the website called milesweb.com with a SSL certificate. Is this clear? This is called purchase your WordPress hosting will be two kind of scenario. One is a packages, second will be visitor of packages. Please note down. Host one website, unlimited storage, 30,000 monthly visitors, unlimited email accounts, free SSL certificate, Jetpack professionals, and 1400 monthly charges. So here, when selecting any option, here anything will be premium. They're showing for anything will be free. If you are premium themes also, we're providing for the free option here. In this, the premium themes will be not available, and they go with only for, here will be one website or three website, but they go only for visitor wise. They go with only for one website. Any WordPress hosting, if you have purchased, only purchased by one website only, not for the multiple website. If you go with here also, they don't mention the particular bandwidth. Here we mention for the particular bandwidth option. So this is different for the both package on the WordPress purchase hostings.